This is the elevator at the Gallery of Mt Lebanon in Mount Lebanon, Pennsylvania. There's AMC theaters. Since then, they modernized this Westinghouse elevator. Let's go down to LL. Here we are at LL. Go 2. Here are 2. Go back down to LL. Oh. That's 2. Well, have you? A lot more basic than it was before. Here, Fixtures, image Bruiser PV23, hands-free 80 kilobyte phone, 2,500 pound capacity. Blend it up here. Your map. There's the yard. There goes Ann. That's it.